Listen, if your credit score starts with a 500, if you're in the 600s or even like the low 700s, and you're trying to make extra money in an economy that we have going on right now with everybody knows about with this COVID and everybody working from home, I have got the solution for you, and it's free. Okay, we're doing a webinar. It's the best webinar that's ever been put out on credit and finances to help you guys. Okay, right now we're doing 8 figures in a down economy. That's without picking up the phone or never leaving our house. And that's what I want to share with you guys, how to do it as well. So I'm going step by step, pulling back the curtains and literally showing you guys exactly what we are doing right now so you can make more money and have a higher credit score. Are you like, if you're tired of getting you get denied for loans and credit cards, and you're getting denied for better rates on houses, and you can't get your first home, this is what we're teaching you guys. 3 simple steps that you got to take. And I want to help you with that. Literally, spend a few minutes with me. It's absolutely free. It's this Friday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So put it in your calendar now. I want to see each and every one of you guys. I'm telling you this. It'll be the best time you ever spent with me, because I'm literally opening up the curtains and saying, look, here's what we're doing. And I want to show you step by step on how to do it. Click the link below, get signed up. I only have a few seats left because it only allows me 250 seats, and they're filling up by the second. So when you see this video, click the link below, get set up, and let me show you the 3 secrets of how to raise your credit score fast and how to make 6, 7, 8 figures in a down economy. We're doing 8 figures right now in this economy, and I want to teach you the 3 secrets. Click the link below. Let's roll.